I raised to infinity means this is again our question, this is again a plus ib. Okay, so I will write here I raised to a plus ib. Now what is a plus ib? If I am asking you what is a plus ib, you will tell me I raised to like that. So if I write I raised to, you are getting this part. Okay, so I raised to that part, we are writing it as a plus ib is equal to right side also a plus ib. We need to prove that tan pi a by 2 equal to b by a and this one. So here now I is equal to, we know it is cos 90 plus I sin 90. This we have, and again we have this is equal to e raised to I pi by 2. E raised to I theta is cos theta plus I sin theta. So this is cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. The 2 is only for pi. Okay. So these two notations we have. Now what we will do is, here this I we will write as e raised to I pi by 2. Okay, using this one, e raised to I pi by 2. So e raised to I pi by 2 raised to a plus ib. This is equal to a plus ib. Then now this is a raised to m the whole raised to n form. A raised to m the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. So this will be e raised to I pi by 2 into a plus ib. A raised to m the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n, so a plus ib. This is equal to here, this is equal to a plus ib. Okay. Now just multiply this inside, this into this and this into this. Do not multiply, we are doing multiplying. So e raised to I pi a by 2, okay, one is a and one is pi, plus I pi by 2 into ib. Okay, so I into I, you will get here I square. So I square pi b. We are just multiplying this inside. This is equal to, so that is the power. Okay, so be careful while writing. This is equal to a plus ib. Now that is equal to e raised to I pi a by 2, e raised to I pi a by 2, and I square is minus 1. Okay, or otherwise before that I will write a raised to m plus n. We have a raised to m into a raised to n. Okay, using that one, e raised to I pi a by 2 plus I square pi b by 2, we will write it as e raised to I pi a by 2 into e raised to I square pi b by 2 equal to a plus ib. Now e raised to I pi a by 2 into, this is e raised to minus I square is equal to minus 1. So minus pi b by 2, that is a plus ib. So minus I square equal to minus 1. Actually you can reduce the steps, all the steps here, that is after writing this one or after writing this step, you can directly write which step. After writing this step, you can directly write this step. Okay, for your understanding I have elaborated that one. So once you write this one, after that just multiply and you can write this step directly. Okay, so e raised to minus pi b by 2. Now if you are looking at this one, you can see here there is no I. So this is a real part. So I will just take it outside. So e raised to minus pi b by 2, and this is e raised to I theta form. We know e raised to I theta is cos theta plus I sin theta. So we were using it. So this is the theta here. Theta is this one. So that will be cos pi a by 2. My pi and a looks the same. So cos pi a by 2 plus I sin pi a by 2. Okay, this is I theta is cos theta plus I sin theta. equal to a plus ib. Now just open this bracket. So this is, or from here directly without opening also you can equate the real and imaginary parts. Okay, otherwise you just open the bracket, that is e raised to minus pi b by 2 cos pi a by 2 plus I into e raised to minus pi b by 2 sin pi a by 2 equal to a plus ib. Now equate the real and imaginary parts. Equating real and imaginary parts. Equating real and imaginary parts means you have to look for a and this. Therefore a is equal to e raised to minus pi b by 2 cos pi a by 2 equal to a, and imaginary part b is equal to, means here b is imaginary part, here this part. So e raised to minus pi b by 2 sin pi a by 2. So I take it as equation number 1 and 2. Okay, now just square and add 1 and 2. So 1 square plus 2 square. So 1 square, when you do 1 square, what you will get? 1 square plus 2 square means you are squaring this one, e raised to minus pi b by 2 cos pi a by 2 square equal to, right side square will be a square. Okay, this is 1 square, e raised to minus pi b by 2 cos pi a by 2 whole square equal to a square. That is equation number 1. Equation number 2 is e raised to minus pi b by 2 sin pi a by 2 square. So we squared equation number 2. So its left side is this one, and here the right side b square. Now squaring and adding. So 1 square plus 2 square. Okay. Now again if you look at this one, again a raised to m the whole raised to n form. So it is e raised to minus pi b by 2. See, whole square is coming. A raised to m the whole raised to n is coming. So it is what? It is m into n. Into 2 will come here. Not the whole square. Pi square b square will not come. It is a raised to m the whole raised to n formula. So a raised to m into n will come. So pi b by 2 into 2. Okay, so these 2 will get cancelled. So you will get it as e raised to minus pi b, and this one is cos square pi a by 2, plus similarly here also e raised to minus pi b by 2 the whole square, 2 will get cancelled, e raised to minus pi b here, and here sin square pi a by 2 equal to a square plus b square. Now you see e raised to minus pi b common in both. So e raised to minus pi b into here cos square pi a by 2 plus here sin square pi a by 2. So like cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Okay, so this will become, this is 1, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Therefore we got a square plus b square is equal to e raised to minus pi b. Okay, this is one part. Now the second part is, now to go from here I will do, we need tan. Okay, so equation number 2 divided by 1 we will do. Equation number 2 divided by 1 means b upon a, or I will write the left side only. 2 by 1 means this is 2 by 1. So e raised to minus pi b by 2 cos sin pi a by 2, that is equation number 2, divided by e raised to minus pi b by 2 and here cos pi a by 2. Okay, so this is equation number 2 by 1 equal to right side equation number 2 is b and here it is a. So this is what you can cancel something there and you are getting, when you cancel these two, same. So we are getting there tan pi a by 2. So this is equal to, this means this is equal to sin upon cos is tan pi a by 2 is equal to b by a. That is what we have to prove. Okay, so these are the two parts. This.